Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has called on Zimbabwean philanthropists to ensure that their charitable contributions benefit those truly in need, warning against giving vehicles, cash, or other gifts to friends, family, or political cronies. Sanamira mashoko kubuda panguva ino Chiwenga achipa warnings to Zvigananda achiti stop using charity for self-gain. Kuti subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibina unauzire mobdanyo kwa mchinzi. An impeccable government source revealed on Tuesday that Chiwenga expressed concern about the misuse of philanthropic resources, stating, "Philanthropists must focus on generosity, on helping those who genuinely need assistance, rather than handing out cash and cash to their friends or associates." Observers say the Vice President's remarks underscore ongoing tensions within ZANU-PF, particularly between his faction and that of President Emmerson Mnangagwa. A political analyst commented, Chiwenga is positioning himself as a leader of integrity by highlighting abuses of charitable giving. He is signaling his commitment to transparency and accountability, while also drawing a contrast with Mnangagwa's allies. Members of the public welcomed the Vice President's statement. One Harare resident said, "It is refreshing to see a leader speak out against giving to the rich while the poor are left behind. Charity should uplift the needy, not reinforce network of power." Observers say the Vice President's remarks underscore ongoing tensions with ZANU-PF, particularly between his faction and the President, Emmerson Mnangagwa. While no individuals were named, Chiwenga's warning is widely seen as a rebuke to influential figures whose donations have been perceived as self-serving or politically motivated. As Zimbabwe navigates economic and social challenges, Chiwenga's message calls for greater scrutiny of charitable practices and a renewed focus on supporting vulnerable communities rather than elite interests. Though mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino, Chiwenga is seen roaring panguva ino aiwa achiramba Zvigananda zviri kungopa mota kune macronies nemapolitical allies. Pena comment section medu dzimafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.